You've heard of the belt, right? You've obviously seen the belt around Facebook. Many of you have already heard about the belt method strategies. Many of you have seen some of our premium content. The view out here is amazing. This is one of my favorite places to hang out. Let's talk about the reason that I'm making this video before our perfect light goes away. Do you know the belt has won over 6 American Marketing Association awards for some of our belt strategies? We've actually won a lot of formal awards in our agency for the belt method strategy. We've trained thousands of agency owners and freelancers on this very specific strategy. Well, what does that mean for you? If you are an agency owner, if you are a freelancer, if you are someone who owns a product or service that you are running ads on Facebook right now, regardless of your experience level on Facebook, pay attention in this video because I have something very special for you. But this offer is going to end November 8th at midnight. See, this video is only going out to people on our email list and specific people in part of our Hot 28 audience. If you know what that is, you are absolutely already in the know. Now, this video specifically is going to people who have never run a Facebook ad before, or maybe you're just getting started with Facebook ads, or maybe you've spent under $1,000 on Facebook ads, and essentially maybe it really hasn't worked out that well. Well, if you've seen a bunch of our content, you've seen a bunch of our videos, you hear me talk about the belt method strategy over and over and over. Now, the entire strategy is over 20 modules, over the shoulder videos, step-by-step how-to. That price point is over $2,500 when we do have open enrollment open. As you may know, we only have open enrollment a couple of times a year. And each time that we do, the price is increasing. If you're someone just starting out, you may not require all that information inside the premium group. Maybe you just require some small little distinctions to get started. I don't care about your experience level. I don't care if you are brand new to Facebook, if you're someone who spent less than $1,000, or if you're someone that's highly experienced. I can show you where you're leaving a lot of money left on the table. Pay attention to this video for the next couple of minutes. This video is going to go away November 8th at midnight. We've recently just collaborated with a friend of mine, Ryan Levesque, with his top-level mastermind students. What they asked was for me to do a training on Facebook, soup to nuts, 3 hours live. The thing is there's a lot to teach in just 3 hours. So what I did is I created 25 videos that we like to call the Belt Quick Start. Now, not only is it 25 videos, I also have step-by-step documents, PDFs, step-by-step how-to worksheets that you can download, follow along with me. See, essentially what we've decided to do is to create a Belt Fast Start program that can help anyone get started with Facebook ads. Now, when I mean anyone, I mean setting up Business Manager, setting up your page properly, setting up your ad account properly. You know, one of the things that we've experienced inside of our agency over the last 5 years, we have not had any ad account shut down whatsoever. But a lot of people have wanted to understand our methodology. Now, don't just take my word for it. I'll show you right here in the video some comments of what people just talked about in our last live training. See, I don't care about your experience level. What I want to be able to do is to teach you critical thinking. Because if you understand the critical thinking of how to run these Facebook ads like the Belt, literally, the sky's the limit. But this is only going to be available until November 8th. That is Sunday, November 8th at midnight. For many of you who follow us, you know that we have a program called the Belt Method Program. Now, that is a 10-module course where we offer support for over 6 months of live support and so many other bonuses. But we also talk a lot about YouTube ads, discovery ads, really the creme de la creme of Facebook advertising is inside the Belt Method plus multi-channel advertising. Well, a lot of people don't require all that. They just want to get started, or they want to train their staff, or they really want to polish their skills to find out. I'm always talking about that a lot of people are leaving money on that table. Where is that table? So many people want to know, what are the small little tricks of the trade? So I have something very special for you. I've created 25 very specific videos that are going to help you with the critical thinking of getting started. Now, I've also created worksheets and step-by-step documents. Now, typically, the lowest price point for a product that we have is a couple $1,000s. That's not what I'm going to ask you for today. What we're doing today is we're doing a pilot program where essentially I want to put this information in as many people's hands as possible, and I want to provide you support with 2 90-minute live calls where we're going to go over step by step to answer any questions about your business to make sure that this strategy gets implemented. See, these 25 videos are all about critical thinking. What's going to happen in these 25 videos and these worksheets, you're really going to understand Facebook ads in a completely new way. Then the next part, all is you require is some over-the-shoulder videos to show you exactly how to implement. Now, from there, that is all you are going to need to get started. And when I mean get started, you can start running ads right now. You're going to start rocking and rolling right now, all for not even half of the investment what it takes to get into the Belt Premium. What I want to do is help as many people get started with Facebook ads, get prepared for Black Friday, get set up with no excuses whatsoever because they didn't have the time or money. We've made this Belt Quick Start program so easy, so affordable, no matter your skill level in Facebook ads, you can get started today. Now, with this pilot program, eventually it's going to be $1,000. It's going to be half the cost of what we have for the Belt Premium. So a lot of people would expect, well, Curt, $1,000 product, you're probably going to give, I don't know, a couple $100 off. It's not $700. It's not $600. Eventually, we're going to sell this one other time for $597. But what I want to do, especially for this pilot phase, $397 until November 8th at midnight. So essentially, just to be really clear on here, what we're going to do, you're going to go to a secure checkout page. Now, that secure checkout page, once you enter your information, your one payment of $397, you're going to jump inside to our 25 video training. So it's going to be 25 videos. You're going to have step-by-step how-to documents. Now, I'm also going to put you inside of our free group if you have any support questions. But it's not going to stop just there. What I'm also going to do, I'm not going to do this any other time when we release these recordings in an evergreen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold 2 90-minute classes to show you specifically how we implement these strategies. So this is the time that you're going to take this Belt Quick Start program. You're going to join us live. You're going to ask any questions you have whatsoever. Going forward, I wanted to be able to record these 25 trainings. I wanted to be able to record this live over-the-shoulder training, bundle it up all together, and offer it to people worldwide for people, well, who are just getting exposed to the Belt, who are not yet ready for the Belt Premium, but they're ready to get started with these strategies. But right now, until November 8th at midnight, just our email list and people inside our Hot 28. You know what the Hot 28 is? You're already in the know. So if you're already in the know, I'm going to show you how to be a part of this entire Belt process that we call the Belt Fast Start program. So the Belt Fast Start program eventually is going to be $1,000 once we have everything recorded and done. But with this pilot program, we're not going to do it for $700, not even for $600. Eventually, we may do this one more time for Black Friday for $597. What we're going to do until November 8th at midnight, it's $397, one-time payment. You're going to get inside of the Belt Fast Start. You're going to get inside of our free group. We're going to give you support. You're also going to get 2 90-minute group calls where I'm going to answer any questions that you have, and you're going to literally watch over my shoulder for exactly how I set this entire Hot 28 up, how we start running ads. Now, the big difference between this Belt Fast Start and the Belt Premium is with Belt Premium, we offer 6 months of live support. We offer YouTube training. We offer other Google training. We offer insight to other experts and special offers on deals to other experts. And the list goes on and on and on. You're not going to get that with this Belt Fast Start program. However, you're going to be part of the Fast Start. You're going to be part of this early group, an incredible low investment of just $397. I want to make sure I record those live trainings with you. So as we turn this into an evergreen model where this runs perpetually, people are going to start to learn from those 25 training modules, and then they're going to watch the replays. There's going to be no other live support. If you would like to be a part of that beta group, you just have to join November 8th at midnight. That's this Sunday at midnight. Again, it's just for a one-time low price, $397. This is great if you are a freelancer, an agency owner, an employee, somebody who's just getting started with ads, somebody who has a product, service, an idea. All you have to do is click on the button down below. Oh, and by the way, we make this super simple. If for any reason you don't like the training, the sound of my voice, or anything else, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee that at any time you can let us know within the 30 days. If for some reason you're unhappy, we'll give you a complete refund. I am absolutely confident on this training that we can help you recover money that's left on the table, collapse time from all the additional difficult learning that so many other people have to go through. But again, You just have to join us for a limited time inside of this pilot program. You're going to get instant access to the training. Today, we're going to set up that live training, those 2 live training classes over the next week or two. We're going to make this all happen really fast, especially by the end of the year. We want all this recorded and added up by the end of the year. We want you there. So make sure you go ahead and click on that link, $397, one-time payment. I can't wait to see you on the other side. I'm still amazed. We are still sitting here at this great view right before the sun comes down. And all you have to do is click this link. Click it right here. Click this link.